Back in 2017, when I started doing photography, I used to capture random things, and the pictures I captured were not good, but they helped me in the process of learning photography and getting better at it. So, as I kept improving my photography and started uploading it on Instagram, and people started following me. So, of course, I was in pressure to upload good images, and I was constantly thinking that I have to upload technically perfect images. I like capturing sunset pictures, and there's nothing wrong with capturing sunsets. In fact, some of my best work include sunsets. So I started capturing a lot of those, and I used to capture most of them from the same location. And the pictures were performing great on social media, so I thought that I'm in right direction. It was completely wrong approach. I should upload what I create, but I was creating what I wanted to upload. Soon I started feeling uninspired because there was nothing new for me to try out. But few days later someone asked me if I wanted a second-hand camera, and he was selling it at a cheap price, so long story short, I bought the camera. We all know that the tool does not matter, and of course the camera didn't help me get amazing pictures, but it did one thing. It inspired me to learn something new and get back to photography. I started feeling like I used to do when I first started photography. I wanted to explore new things, and I wasn't stressed about technical perfection. Even now, I'm not that good at photography, but as you can see in my recent pictures, we can call it improvement. Few days ago, I saw a video from Theo Crawford. In the video, he was explaining what values do you need in your picture and what is a good photograph. And he laid out 4 values that are mostly present in good pictures. When I compare those sunset pictures to these values, I see that they do not have story or meaning or even feelings attached to them. All you can see is technical perfection. Some of them are not even technically perfect, so I think I can call them bad pictures. Then I compared my new pictures to these values, and I see that although I'm not able to tell any story from these pictures, still I think they contain some meaning and they deliver certain type of feelings. Last week I uploaded another sunset picture, and it's again one of the bad ones. Actually, it's not a new picture. I captured it last year, but I thought that this might be a good picture, so I edited it and uploaded it on Instagram. But unlike before, when I used to be happy about how people are reacting to the image, this time something was off. I think I feel this way because my perspective to photography has changed. I don't want to capture and upload the same images again and again. I want to try out new things and improve my skills. So what's the point? Should we not capture sunset images? Of course not. We should capture whatever we want to. I just want to say that if we want to improve our photography, then we will have to try out new things and fail at them instead of doing same thing again and again for guaranteed success. Even I will capture sunset pictures, but from now on I will try to think about whether the picture provides any feeling or has any meaning or story behind it, rather than aiming for technical perfection. So I hope some of you might have been able to relate to what I'm trying to say, or maybe some of you are also in that phase, and if you are, then I hope that this video might have helped you. This is my first video of this type, so I don't know if I was able to convey the message that I wanted to. So please let me know in the comments if this video was good, and also feel free to drop your suggestions because I was so unsure about this video. So thank you for watching. You can subscribe to the channel if you are interested. My name is Abhas Rai. I'll see you next time.